This is our newest handheld welding machine. Let's have a try for this machine. We can see on this panel there are 3 buttons. In the middle it is the menu button, and it can also control the power here. On this position, it is the button to adjust the current. This is to reduce the current. Let's push the middle button here. Now we can see it is the current here. It is 120 amp. Let's push here. It shows 10. 10 amp is for arc force. Let's push once again. It shows off here. It means on and off for DRD function here. Now let's try the welding here. Great.
效果也可以啊。这个流明是在那个。